Hi, my name is Elmar Torres, a business student majoring in financial management of Medina Foundation College of Sapang Dalaga Incorporated. Now I'm going to share the tips on how to take care the environment. The first is you can apply the reduce, reuse, and recycle, like avoid using of more plastics and reuse containers or bags when possible. Always separate the recyclable like papers, bottles, and cans. And you can also plant trees and care our green species like joining the planting activities or simply group plant at home to help clean the air and fight climate change. And that is all. Thank you. God bless everyone.